Healthy people. It's your guy, Ime and Tepri with Natural Immune Advice, coming at you healthy, happy, and overly excited to bring you another edition of Bring It From the Face. Thank God I'm healthy. Listen up, grab a pen and paper. Newer information reveals toxic cleaning supplies are damaging your natural immune defense, and no one cares? Have you heard? More people these days are suffering from excessive sneezing and immune failures than ever reported in the history of the world. So has technology over the last decade been helpful in improving people's health or no? Well, here's the thing. Yes, technology as a whole has improved our lives, made our daily living more efficient, and helped to elevate our level of convenience. We have cars, planes, trains, the internet, etc., which are all great advances and stuff we sometimes take for granted. But when we talk about technology in the sense of food, synthetic medications, or even supplies we use to clean our homes, I'd say we could do better. Now, we've all heard the saying before, you are what you eat. So wouldn't it be wise to focus on eating foods that are supportive and enhancing to your natural immune defense, or at least mix some of those foods into your diet? Your immune system will love you for it. And don't forget about the importance of vitamin D, whether it be through natural sunlight, the foods you eat, or even an organic veggie capsule supplement. But one of the things that oftentimes gets overlooked when it comes to an optimal natural immune defense is the products we use to keep our homes and environments clean, which is really what the heart of this article is about. Cleaning supplies, or even some smell good products with the labels warning or caution on them, are oftentimes made with non-natural, synthetic, and some pretty dangerous stuff when you actually read the label. Some of these chemicals are so harmful that when you use them, they're even damaging your natural immune defense the moment you've inhaled the chemical or spray. Well, no worries, because there's now a newly released liquid technology that's organic, all natural, and is even being used by millions of people all over the world as an alternative home cleaning option. It's some hot, new, and free information that is hot off the press, blowing up over there at linkedin.com, or by clicking the link below this video to start reading now. Read it, leave a comment, and share it with some people. Everyone loves free stuff. And yes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to head on over there to naturalimmuneadvice.com to claim your gift just for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed this exclusive information. Stay informed